Welcome, here I've got LG G8s ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down, and here we have grid option, so by using this button from the right we can turn on the camera grid lines or turn them off when we don't need them. Now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera preview to see them. As you can see we have these lines. This is useful for example when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left to this button so we get access to the gallery, we can see them at the real picture. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos, and of course when we don't need them we can easily go back to the left corner, slide again a little bit and use this button to turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.